Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go with this makeup look, smoky with super easy. Done my base already. So for contour, I'm gonna use the Clarins Paris, the dual stick that comes in. I'm gonna use the contour side of it. Physician Formula bronzer. For blush, I'm going to use the Benefit Cheek Parade. I'm going to go ahead and mix these two again. And highlight my face with the Maybelline Master Chrome. This will become like my favorite highlighter. MAC. Okay, this is soft brown in shade AA8. You can use any soft brown that you have in your palette available. With my blending brush, again hold it at the end and there you go. Now with the same blending brush, the bronzer that you use, okay, you just dip your tip of your brush, remove the excess, and then apply this again. Apply this at the bottom of where you've gone ahead and applied your transition shade. Like, just go ahead and cover your lid with this color. Use a little darker shade of the brown that we used earlier. Use again the MAC. This is in shade A98. Use it in the sockets only, so I'm going to use a little flatter brush. So this goes in your socket. If you don't blend it well, darker colors look patchy on the eye after some time. When you do any color in your socket, which is your crease line, make sure you deposit the color first at the end and head and disperse the color. Blend everything that you've done with the first blending brush that you use. I'm going to take a darker shade of brown. This is from the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. I'm going to take an angular brush and I'm going to dip my brush and I'm going to trace it on the upper lash line starting from the outer corner. Okay, hold your brush in the angular way. It's like you're drawing an eyeliner with the eyeshadow. And create a wing if you want. Next, what you need to do is you need to take a stiffer pencil brush. Okay, don't add any product to it and just smudge it all. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye and I'll be back. And it on the other eye as well. Now what we need to do is we need to take a softer pencil brush and use the bronzer shade, okay, and the darker shade that we use, the mid dark shade that we use in our lower lash line. Sometimes I just like to leave it like this, just apply kajal and just finish off the look. Apply a black kohl pencil and I'm going to do it. The reason why I with a black kohl pencil is because it gives an illusion of fuller eyelashes. So the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the dark brown shade from the Maybelline palette on a pencil brush and I'm going to just blend it at the outer corner. Can you see the difference? The eye instantly becomes bigger and looks elongated. I'm just taking the softer blending the pencil brush and just making sure that I don't have any harsh lines on them. So if you want to do your eye makeup for the day, you can leave it like this and it looks really good for an everyday look. But if you're doing this for night, my suggestion would be take a black kohl pencil and run it through your waterline. It kind of gives you a very nice illusion of the smokiness that you already have going on in your eye. But the black kohl pencil really brings up your eye color, makes you look really fresh. Okay, the last thing that I need to do is just make sure that the eyeliner, the kajal does not move. You need to go ahead and just set it with the dark brown color. Don't use a black, use a dark brown color to set it. My suggestion would be do not smoke out anything else. This looks really nice and pretty. So eyes are done. Let's move on to the lips. I'm going to use my favorite Maybelline, the Clay Crush, and the NYX in Exotic. Always blend your lipstick if you've applied 2 shades with your fingertips. The last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to apply mascara, which I forgot. So this is the final look. All my social medias are listed down in the description box. Please connect with me. Thank you for stopping by once again. Thank you for watching my videos. I love you all. Mwah.